That's Ryan from Affordable SEO once again. Just a bit of a spare of the moment thing, really. I'll try and get this uploaded shortly after, but I wanted to tell you guys about Content Spooling Network. I was about to upload an article, so I thought, why am I doing this and not recording it and giving you guys a tutorial? So here we go. Basically, Content Spooling Network. This is a look on the inside. This is what you guys pay $99 for or so per month. You do have the option of having a free trial at the moment. As you can see, I'm currently using a free trial. I just absolutely love this thing, and the free trial has come in extremely handy. So let's show you around the place. So basically, you've got access to a huge amount of external publishing accounts. You can choose up to, at the moment, it's about 90 or so, I believe. It's 92. But as you can see up here, they've got an additional 160 or so directories that have been inactivated until the publishing slowdown has been fixed. And from what I can see, it was very, very slow for a short period of time, but it's actually working really fast now. So all you need to do with these is select the articles that the article directories that you're a member of. Just click on it and it'll bring up a little page that just says, please enter your login details, and see just up here, and then you do it that way. I shouldn't have showed you that page. I might have to censor that one. Alrighty, so you just do that and then you're all set. So let's go back to the main page here, and you will see a few other little options here. You got the option here where you can set up your own website. So you do need to register your websites, and you do need to install a plugin. That plugin is so that on a separate page on your site, you can actually have articles passed to you from the Content Spooling Network. That's half the point of this, because not only are you going to be publishing your articles to article directories, but everybody else who is on the Content Spooling Network, and I can tell you there's several thousand of them as well, and they're running websites that do have really good pulling power and deliver a lot of link juice. You're going to be getting links from them as well when your articles are published on them as well. So you publish to 10 article directories, you can publish to another 100 articles that fit into your niche as well. So it's quite handy. Let's skip things on a little bit. We're going to go into where you submit an article. So all you need to do is just click on your articles here and then click write a new article. So I've got this one here that I prepared earlier. All that you're going to find is just make sure that you choose the right page. At the moment I'll be promoting Affordable SEO. Would you like to publish it to your website? In my case, no. That's just whether or not you want to publish it to your own website, which I really don't have a need to at the moment. So we'll type in my name here, and I've got everything which I have prepared earlier right here. There's my titles. Now, first off, I want to show you spinning. The way that this is done is through the use of these characters to close off an entire spin, and this character right here. So you've got one option here that it can use at random, and then you've got another option here that you can use at random. Now, on the actual web page, I'll copy this over and I will show you. On the web page where you're submitting everything, you can see that everywhere that you can spin is marked with that red S right there. So you can spin text and everything in there. So let's just copy all these contents over just so I'm not spending too much time harping on about this. I do speak way too fast as well. I know that. So if anyone does have a problem with this, I do apologize. I know I speak way too fast. So let's see. So now I'm going to get the meta, or the meta description as some people call it, and get that put in down here. We've also got the URL extensions, which are your file names. You just pop them into there as well. All spinnable as well. Pretty much everything that you can input from your meta tags or meta tags up onto your meta description to the actual content itself, everything can be completely spinnable. So now that I've entered all of that content in, we've got the resource box. You can enter your own content in there. Make sure you include a link to your website. Use the right anchor text. I've got this one that I prepared earlier, that's 2 of them that have actually been spun, so that'll vary between submissions. Then you choose your topics as well. That'll just get passed on to the article directories. So in this case, this article is about SEO optimization and web marketing. and then select your primary topic. So in this case, I'll just say SE optimization. So now let's save and preview that. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time because it's got a lot of work to process. It'll tell you of any errors that you've got in your article here as well. In this case, it's come through perfect because I've actually had a lot of trouble trying to submit this article, and I made sure it's perfect so I can record it, but you guys don't know that. Now you can see down here a few different variations of the article as well. There's spun versions. You can have a read of them if you like. If you trust them, you can just go ahead and submit. This is the article that you've submitted. If everything looks good, then you go down to here and you've got your article directories that you've chosen. So in this case, I'll go down and I'll select a few of these. I might actually skip this one. So if you just bear with me for a short moment. Okay, so as we can see now, I've chosen all of the right, all the places that I would like to well, all of the categories, I should say. Now, you've got two options down here. You can either do a full publish, meaning you can publish to the external directories plus to the other websites that are on the content spooling network, or you can just publish to the external directories. So in this case, I'm going to do a full publish, and then we will have a look at the results. This may take a minute or longer, as it says, so we'll just sit here and we'll twiddle our thumbs and maybe tap our feet a little bit. And there we go. So it is set to be published. So now you'll see it sitting here pending review. What will happen here is you'll see that it'll actually be gone over by an actual human being, a content spooling network, just to make sure it's, it's formatted correctly and all that kind of thing. And then they will manually drip feed that to those article directories. They won't just go bang and submit it to 1,000,001. They will actually do that by about, I think it's about 5 per day that they do. It's to encourage, organic SEO. It's to encourage a natural sort of approach to SEO. So it's supposed to emulate, real life rather than just going all out and submitting everywhere. So that is Content Spooling Network. There is a link underneath this article, I'm sure, to go and check them out. Look, they're about $90 or $99 per month. There is a 21-day trial at the moment. Look, it's gonna get word out there about your site, and not just that, you're gonna get a lot of traffic coming in, and it's gonna be good traffic. It's gonna be well-targeted traffic. People who are coming in for the keywords that you choose. So it's not just gonna be readers; it's gonna be buyers. So look, if there's something that you're going to do, what I reckon you should do, I reckon you should just go and try it, because it really is extremely essential. That's something that, if you want to take that next step, there are a lot of services out there you do pay for. You can pay $800 for other similar services that, obviously much higher up a level. Something like this, 21-day trial, just see how it goes. If you like it, keep going with it. It's really, if you want to take that next step, it's going to be worth it. I'm going to stop rambling on with my sales pitch now and actually let you guys check out the rest of the site. So I hope this made sense to you guys. Hope you could understand my rambling. And I do believe that is everything. Cheers. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing your success stories. Cheers.